In a program called blank, you'll notice that there's a part of the program known as pin mode, and what that's going to do is going to energize one of the pins, it's 13 in this particular case, and it's going to output a logic 1 to that particular pin. As it keeps going through, you'll see that there's delays which can be elongated, but right now each delay between logic 1, logic low, or a high and low is 1 second, or 1,000 milliseconds. So, taking a look at the circuit itself, you can see that as the LED blinks on, the current's got to go from the resistor through the LED to get it to go on. In part of this assignment, you're going to calculate the amount of current going through this entire circuit, even though it's blinking, and you can going to see some voltages that are going to change high and low. If we look at the voltage that is across each one, it's going to go low or down to 0 volts, and then it's going to go to whatever voltage is across it. In this particular circuit, this is like a voltage divider. The voltage is going to be developed out across the resistor as the function of Ohm's law, with the current going through it, times the resistance of the device itself. And that will enable you to take a look at this LED and see what its operating parameters are. LEDs, you purchase these according to the style of whatever it is, to the type of lens and color, and you'll also notice that there's a voltage and a current that's required as part of the parameter on the LEDs when you go to purchase them. Now this one, we're going to take the voltmeter, put it out across the LED, and at this point it's measuring 2.54 volts. So put that in your notes, the LED voltage is 2.54 volts. The voltage across the resistor is coming out to 2.39 volts. So with the 2.39 volts across the 390 ohm resistor, this will allow you to use Ohm's law and calculate the current going through the LED. When you have that complete on that calculation, then you'll be able to state what that current actually is. That will allow you to find other LEDs that you can use in this board or for this experiment that are different styles or colors and so forth. The Blink program.